Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a little unboxing to do. I ended up getting a few things from Tailored Expressions, and so I wanted to show you those things. All right. You recently saw, well, if you watched one of the last few videos I had gotten the Tailored Expressions Crafty collab with Brutus Monroe, and they have the Simple Strips Crafty. And so these are fabulous. If you haven't seen these before, it's really awesome. It's one stamp set, and then you just match it up with this die, and it cuts out 18 sentiments. It's fabulous. And Taylor has a bunch of different ones in her store, and I have just two of them. I have the Meow and I have Crafty. I would like to get more, but you know, budget. So as I get more, I may just, you know, or as I can afford more, I will definitely get more. But I wanted to show you that because she just recently came out with the simple storage for simple strips, which I think is such a great idea because, you know, normally you just keep it maybe with your stamp itself. But this is great because it's got enough little holders for each of the sentiments. And then she had stickers in there in the store. I just didn't buy them because I only have, you know, two of them, so I didn't feel it was necessary, and I could use my label maker. But isn't that cool? So you can take your sentiments and then they all fit in there very nicely. So you know, as you have different ones, isn't that fun? And then you can, you know, have them all in different colors. I don't know. Well, that one doesn't fit very well now, does it? Huh. Well, what do you do about that? That's interesting. Maybe. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's just wow. Okay, I didn't even realize that. But, and then if you have them in different colors, so the bigger ones can go on the bottom. You've got the smaller ones up here. But isn't that fabulous? Oh my gosh, I love it. So I'll fill that later, but you can now have your simple strips all in one little area. Oh, I didn't even realize that with the one. That's even cooler. And so now I went ahead and, like I said, I got two because I have two of the simple strips. So there's those. And everything I got I'll have linked down below in the description box. I also went ahead and got a couple of these. These are just the boxes. Now, they don't have the little things in them, but I thought these would be nice because you can hold the inks in here. Now, I do have some of the inks in cubes. I'll pull those out. I just figured this might be a little easier to put them in and a little bit more compact. So I thought that was nice. And she shows that you can, you know, put other things in there. Obviously, you can put other things in there. But, yeah. And that way I've got my little sponge with it. If I have a sponge, some of these do, some of these don't. But I love it. I love it. And she also had a link in the store to, like, wooden storage. I didn't get that because I just didn't get that. But oh, look at that. Isn't that great? So then you've got all of your ink cubes in your storage here. Or, like I said, she had like little projects. You could put your scissors in these. I thought these were just, it was a good price point. And maybe down the road I will get the little wooden storage. Maybe I won't because my stepdad is pretty awesome at making stuff. So I already have a few things that he has made for me, a little marker storage, so maybe these will fit well in what he's already made me. But so I got a couple of those, and because I spent a certain amount, I got this free stamp set. Somebody was asking the other day, hey, I saw that on the Tailored Expressions site, or on, maybe it was on Facebook or something like that, they had seen some examples using the Crafty collab, Simple Strips Crafty, with this, which obviously it matches perfectly, and they were wondering where this stamp set came from, and I didn't know. But so if you're watching, here it is, Art from the Heart background. I'm not sure how long she'll be doing the free with whatever purchase, but, and I don't know if it'll be for sale afterwards. It may not be. If it is, I'll definitely have it linked down below, but it's one giant background stamp, and it's awesome because it's all the little crafty bits, so it's like perfect. I love that. So there is that one. And then, believe it or not, my main motivation, well, before I get to that, I forgot to show you that there's usually a little card, like with your invoice, and then it came with a die, and this is the die that I got. I don't know if she does a different one with every order, or every month it's a different one, or bi-weekly, or whatever the case may be, but isn't that cute? Cute little anchor, cute little tag. I just think that's adorable. So there is that. But here is the main reason why I even ordered. I definitely wanted to get the simple storage because I love the simple strips. And I wanted the storage, but my main motivation for ordering was actually this kit. It's the Field Notes August kit. She has kits every month, and I've wanted to get them every month, but, you know, budget, I do have to think about that. These are a little bit pricier than most of the kits that I tend to buy, simply because, you know, this is red rubber. And I'm not saying it's not worth it. It's absolutely worth it. Each of the kits always are, but I definitely had to be a little bit more, you know, I have to be a little bit more selective with these ones because the price point's usually a little bit higher. So let's take a look at what comes in this kit. It has this adorable bag, and it has the Field Notes sticker on the front. So it's a nice reusable sticker pouch. This is great if you are a person who likes to stamp on the go or make cards on the go or whatnot. You can shove all your crafty goodies inside of here. But I love the Field Notes. It was designed, I believe, a collaboration between, you know, Tailored Expressions and Lori Craig. And if you've ever followed her, she is quite the artist. She's been known in the crafty community for quite a while. But she paints, and yeah, she makes cards, and she's a lovely, lovely person. So, all right, so here we have the Hey Crafty Friend. Project ideas, you can go and hashtag it, that's awesome. And then we have, oh look, the little Sealed with Love stickers. I saw that that was in there. Let's take this off to the side, and then we can pull the pieces out as we need them. But so 2 of those, looks like 2 of those, and 2 of those, and it's beautiful. I love that that one's all different colors. So pretty. So I can definitely see watercoloring with this one. That may be my mode that I do, or you know, my medium that I use. So we've got the little sealed stickers. Let's pull the pieces out. Okay. So let's jump right into the one stamp set that like just has my heart. It's this one. It's the Sketchbook Florals. It's a set of 8, and it is beautiful red rubber. Your sentiments are love you, friend, thanks, hello, and miss you. Yep, illustration by Lori Craig. And then we have matching dies. And I love it. There's a little tag in there as well, so I imagine all the different words, almost all of them, maybe all of them could actually fit on that tag. So that's super nice, and I love it that it's something you can stamp and then use your die cut to cut those out. So that's great. It also came with a couple other stamps. So here's this giant background, which is awesome. It's called the Rough Draft background, and I like how it's kind of, you know, some of the lines are a little more prominent, some of them kind of more recessed, which is really cool. So there is that background. And then we have this is the Field Notes, and it comes with more sentiments and a couple little just like other stamps that would go with it. So adopt the pace of nature, her secret is patience. That's by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Thanks so much. Hello there, sending our love with sympathy and thinking of you. And this is definitely a great set for all those reasons. You know, we hate making sympathy cards, at least I do. But this would be a great set for that. And then I love this little background. So it's definitely, you know, obviously bigger than what you see on the front here. And you have this little calendar. You could pick the month, day. That's cool. And then this one, I think that's really neat for some backgrounds. You could write the date on it. That's really neat as well. So there you go. Those are the stamps and the dies that go with it. Not only that, it comes with a 6x6 designer masking stencil. which I'm pretty excited about that one because it's got like this deckled edge, and it's got not only, so there's two actual, okay, if I could grab it, two 6x6 stencils. It has the measurements for like an A2 in there, so you could easily set it on top and see where it goes, and then you could either sponge or spray or whatever you want to do, and then you have your mask. So depending on, you know, if you want the back part, you could put this on top and spray around that, or sponge around that, or whatever. So there's that one, and then you have a bigger one, which I think is great as well. So lots of options here for this. Love that. Always love lots of options. But it does not stop there. So not only is there that stencil, there's also some envelopes. So love that. And these are beautiful envelopes. I'm really getting into using different colored envelopes to send out my cards now. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ones. You know, we also had 6 sealed envelope or seal stickers, which is nice. And so that is that. Like I said, these are a little bit pricier than I typically would spend on a card kit. That's why I kind of have to be a little bit picky choosy. I almost pulled the trigger, and who knows, maybe I still will, on the one with the little chickens, little farmhouse people. I thought that one was way too cute. But this one is just so universal, could be used for so many things, that I was like, yes. And I love the style of the images, so sketchy and pretty. But yeah. So I'll have it all linked down below, everything that I got. Most of this stuff will not be available separately, so if you like it, it's probably only available in the kit. The only thing that might, I would imagine, be available outside of the kit might be the envelopes, but everything else is kit related. I'll also have the little simple storage along with the simple strips that I had. I'll have those linked down below if that's something that you want to check out as well. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so, because I definitely have a plan to do, you know how I like to do my kit videos where I'll make several cards with one kit. So keep an eye out for the Sketchbook Florals card kit video, because I'll definitely have one. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.